Happy Friday, everybody. My name is Hayden Wendell. I'm a realtor here in College Station, Texas. Today I have an awesome home for y'all in Tejas Ranch, located in Bryan. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, sits on an acre, and it is listed today at $379,000. Before we go check it out, I just want to remind everyone, please subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, let me know what you want to see, and I'll make sure to get more of those videos for y'all. But let's go check it out. Alright, now that we are inside, you just immediately walk into the house, and it is an awesome home. It feels super cozy, and it just feels like a house that you can really live in here. With the kitchen, you do have black granite throughout, and you have this awesome brick that they incorporated into it. And like I said, it just feels like home. You have your built-in stainless steel appliances here, white cabinetry, and there is the black countertops I talked about. You'd have a more formal dining room over there, then you do have your living space as well. You also have these wood beams that go throughout, and I just really feel like they just bring the house together. Right here you do have your primary bathroom right off, or primary bedroom right off of the living area. Wood paneling wall. It just feels like a house that you can really live in. You do have your primary bathroom here as well. And then when you go through this house, it is about 1,700 square feet. So it's not, you don't have the most space, but it does give you room to really live in. Over here you do have another bedroom, a bathroom, and another bedroom as well. So 3-bed, 2-bath. Let's go check it out outside though. One of the great things about this house is truly just the space you have. If you want land and you still want to be 25, 30 minutes away from the heart of College Station, this area is a perfect area to be in. Lots of space in the backyard for you to do whatever you want to it, and you do have another bigger garage workshop right over there. But like I said, you're sitting on an acre. It's super quiet except for birds chirping. This is a great area to be. I just want to thank everybody for tuning in again. Like I said, my name is Hayden Wendell. I'm a realtor here in College Station, Texas. My information is at the end of this video and in the description. If you guys have any questions, anything that you need, feel free, give me a call, text, or email. I'll be more than happy to answer it for y'all. Y'all have a great day.